Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell how you can get glass skin. Without wasting time, let's start. Number 1, double cleansing. You should clean your face, especially at night when your face has collected all that dirt. Start with a cleansing oil for your first cleanse. Then follow with a gentle foam. Number 2, scrub. Scrub your face because it's a very important step. This step will remove your dead skin cell and get glassy, smooth and supple skin. Number 3 is toner. Don't ignore a toner. You use green tea toner, mint toner, rice water toner. Toner remove any dirt and shrink your large pores. Number 4, moisturizer. Use any moisturizer for your skin type. Like your skin is dry, so you use cream based moisturizer. Number 5, eye cream. Use any eye serum or cream to nourish your eye area. Number 6, sunscreen. Sunscreen protect your skin. UV radiation damages the skin and can lead to sunburn, so use sunscreen to your daily routine. Number 7, diet for glass skin. Drink a lukewarm water. Eat fruits and vegetables, nuts. Include fish oil in your diet. Eat healthy fat. Also eat dark chocolate and sour fruits. Follow these tips for glass skin. Today's video is the end. See you next video. Bye bye.